Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm trying out the Kaja Mochi Glow Bouncy Blendable Highlighter. I love this packaging here, and I haven't tried out many products, if any, from Kaja, but this is a brand that you can get at Sephora. I've seen good things about this brand, so I was excited to get it in my October 2022 Chic Beauty box, which I have that unboxing video up here on my YouTube channel. However, I was a little disappointed to see that I got this in the darkest shade that it comes in, which is number 4 Stardust, because I filled out my Chic Beauty box profile saying I have fair skin. So I hope that this will work for me. This is a $21 highlighter. It's cruelty-free, vegan, and I'm so excited to see what this texture is going to be like because it says it applies like a cream, dries to a powder. Ooh, and the instructions say to apply with your finger, which is how I almost always apply my highlighters. So that is great. Here is what the packaging looks like. Very cute. And then the product in here, I mean, it definitely looks dark, but let's go ahead and start with a swatch. Ooh, yeah. Feeling it right now, it feels very creamy. I mean, the color is very true to how it looks in the pan here. Swatch it. Oh, yeah, that is way too dark for me to be wearing on my cheeks as a highlighter. Even blending it out, like this is more like a bronzer shade for me. Ooh, it's such a beautiful texture though, so smooth. It has a little sparkle to it, but it definitely gives that beautiful glow. Oh, I really wish I could wear this on my cheeks. Like the texture seems like exactly what I love for a cheek highlight. But let's see if there's another use for it. I'm going to try it as a bronzer. It might be a little different, and I was excited to be able to apply this with my finger, but I'm going to go ahead and pick up an angled brush instead. Can it even pick up on the brush? It's like hard to tell. Barely picked up any from what I can tell on the brush. And I'm going to just go ahead and like apply it where I would apply bronzer. Did that do anything? Did that show up? I think the struggle is that it's really hard to actually pick up on the brush. So I don't see myself realistically using this as a bronzer. I mean, yeah, it just is barely doing anything. So the only other use I can think of right now is for on my eye as an eyeshadow. So picking some up on my finger, let's see how that looks. Just gonna go ahead and apply it all over my lid. It's almost like too sheer and not quite what I would want for an eyeshadow either. Like it's okay, but just not quite as pigmented enough for an eyeshadow. Yeah, I mean, seeing it on my eye here, it really does not look very highlightery. It looks just like a wash of color, kind of. I mean, it's kind of nice on the eye, just I know realistically I wouldn't really wear this on my eye. Let's see if I apply it on my cheek here. I'm just like curious the formula because it almost is looking matte once I blend it out. Like as far as like reflective glow sheen, I'm not seeing any, but it's very just like a natural finish, not shiny like I would expect from a highlighter. A very thin, invisible texture on the skin. Like it doesn't look powdery, but it definitely doesn't look creamy or glowy. I feel like I don't really understand how this product really is because the shade has thrown me off so much, but I don't really see this as being a great highlighter either, even in the right shade, because it's not really giving glow. So I guess this is very disappointing. From my first ever Chic Beauty box to send me a shade that is so unworkable for my complexion. But if you've tried this out before, hopefully in your correct shade, please let me know in the comments down below how it works for you. But I feel like this video was such a failure, not very helpful, probably one of my least favorite videos I've ever filmed, but I guess this is bound to happen. So if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.